So how much money can you possibly make with IngramSpark? It's going to be interesting for many of those people that have only been uploading their books to Amazon KDP rather than thinking a bit broader and also publishing books to IngramSpark. Now, yes, there are limitations on the kinds of books that you can upload to Ingram, and that has changed over the last 5 years as well. When I first started publishing my books to Ingram in mid-2020, you could upload some different types of sort of mid and low content books, but they have a content integrity unit that actually look closely at the books and determine if you have eligibility to upload books. So colouring books or journals and things like that, you might have limitations on uploading those books to Ingram. But let's have a look and see my journey of uploading about 100 books and see how much income I've been able to make. But importantly, it's the quality of books that you need to upload. If you're going to get consistent and regular income from Ingram, you need to ensure that you do provide high quality books. So before we do look at my income report for Ingram, I do have a 3-hour free training on YouTube for publishing books to IngramSpark. So if that's of interest to you, I'll leave the link in the description below and you can check that out. So let's have a look and see how much income I've been able to generate from 100 books on IngramSpark. So once you've logged into IngramSpark, I've got my account here. To find out the reporting compensation, you go to the side here and you go to compensation, and this will then bring up the different sales that you've got. What we want to do is go to lifetime, and then what that does is actually bring up all the revenue and income that you've generated during that time. So you can see over the journey, I've sold just over 35,000 books. The net sales, meaning the price of the books multiplied by the 35,000 I've sold, is 346,760 Australian dollars. I'll show you a quick calculation for what that actually equals in US dollars, so it gives you a bit of an idea. So if I put in 346,760, I think it was, that equals 235,000 US dollars, and you can see that still, that's a significant amount of money. If we go back here, you can see that the net sales is a significant number. Total returns, that's over that journey. So at one point in time, I did allow returns, and I had one bulk return of about 280 books, and that was quite significant. So I decided to turn off the option and toggle off the option for returns to occur, and I don't feel like it's hurt my sales. And then you look at the net sales, so 343, 784. So it's going to be a little bit different. 343. We'll just do 343,000. So it's 231, nearly 232,000 US dollars. So if we go back here again, we've got printing charges, which Ingram charge. There's a distribution charge, and you got tax, other charges, and so the net publishing result, let's look down here because that's the net sales. So 144,415. 144,415, 44,415. So it's 97,641 US dollars has been the total publisher compensation. So it's important to look at the whole figure and having a look at the lifetime payment, and that's one of those things that with IngramSpark, it's just unbelievable that you can generate this money from having the books uploaded and selling globally through their distribution network. So I'm going to run through some key information that I wanted to cover as well. So firstly, 100 books published since 2020. So it's not as if I've published 500 books or published 10 books. 100 books is still a significant investment of time and energy to get those books uploaded and published over that time. Those books include high content and mid content books. I've done zero marketing at all. So you don't have any availability to use something like a platform like Amazon ads. I've actually done zero marketing. So all that author royalties is complete profit for me. You need to purchase ISBNs when you do publish with IngramSpark. So each book, whether it be a paperback, requires an ISBN. A hardback requires an ISBN. So for each title, even if you're doing a paperback or a hardback, you need an individual ISBN, and you can purchase those online through major outlets like Thorpe Bowker or Bowker. I think Nielsen in the UK does it as well. It's free to upload books to IngramSpark. So there used to be an upload fee, but they've waived that now. But importantly, you need to meet the content integrity guidelines. So Ingram do have a list of books which you can and are not permitted to upload. Do not go and upload a book and purchase an ISBN if that book's going to be not permitted to be uploaded. It's going to be a waste of time and energy and money for you. And also, finally, access my free 3-hour IngramSpark tutorial. It's available on YouTube, and I'll link that video in the description below. So as you can see, there's a great opportunity to generate income from IngramSpark, but it's not going to be a significant amount to begin with. You need to build up the number of book titles that you have. You need to create good quality books. You also need to purchase those ISBNs. You need to upload them, making sure that they meet the integrity content guidelines of Ingram. So there's a little bit of work involved, but you can see the results that are possible. And if you do have a Amazon KDP account and you do have high content books or mid content books that you can upload to Ingram, I definitely would recommend that you look into the platform. Now, most questions that you might have will probably be addressed in that 3-hour tutorial about how to create books and upload them to IngramSpark. So I definitely recommend that you look at that tutorial, go through it all, and hopefully all your questions will be addressed so you can actually proceed and start looking at that as a platform of choice. So I do hope that you found some value in this video. I want to inspire you to create great books and publish great books, because the ongoing long-term passive income that can be generated from platforms like IngramSpark is incredible. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to creating another new video for you very soon. So until then, goodbye. If you'd like to learn more about self-publishing, just make sure you visit my website, globalselfpublishing.com. And on this website, you'll find a ton of free resources. So if you scroll down on the first page, you'll see an introduction to the website. You'll also get to see some of the courses and content that I've created for you. If you go all the way up to the top here, you can actually also go to the different resources that you can download for free. So here's a number of resources that you can see straight away. Also, if you go to self-publishing courses, you can see that I've also got my premium self-publishing course on publishing a children's book. I've also got free access to my 2-hour KDP Fast Track course. Take a look at the preview for that, and then further down you'll see the other courses that are available, plus a sign up if you want to access all those courses for just $19 per month. And then finally, I've got software and tools. This provides an outline of the tools that I use for my publishing, and it's a great opportunity to see what I use. I don't use a lot of software programs, but the ones that I do use are the ones that have helped me significantly to elevate my publishing for the last 5 years. So thanks again. Remember to visit globalselfpublishing.com, and all the resources that you need are just in one place.